They say the future of warfare won't always come with a loud explosion. Sometimes it arrives in silence. Recently, at a military parade in Beijing, China unveiled something that stunned the world: the LY-1 high-power laser system. At first glance, it looks like just another armored truck, but on its roof sits a weapon unlike anything we're used to. Instead of missiles or guns, it fires a beam of pure light. You can't see it, you can't hear it, but it's powerful enough to burn drones out of the sky, stop incoming missiles, blind enemy cameras, and even strike low-flying aircraft. And here's the real game-changer: cost. A missile can cost millions of dollars. The LY-1? It only needs electricity. That means unlimited shots fired instantly at the speed of light. China says this system is built to counter drone swarms. The same kind of cheap, deadly tactics we've seen in Ukraine and the Middle East. Combined with other weapons, it creates a shield that's hard to break. But make no mistake, this wasn't just a parade display. It was a message. A message that China's laser weapons aren't science fiction anymore. They're here and they're ready for the battlefield.